Tower, November 8019 Yankee, ready for takeoff, runway 5.
What is going on? Alex B here. Of course he's gotta give me some shit. Yeah, I'm here with the fam. Jeez. So we're heading to Costa Rica. Pura vida. Yeah, we're pretty excited to see all the natural beauty over there. And yeah. You excited?
To hang out with you?
Yeah. Not really? Damn. Alright guys, we'll see you in San Jose. Well, we just made it to San Jose. There was actually some weather coming into here, and the airplane actually had to enter a holding pattern. And yeah, it ended up getting a little bit low in fuel, so we went to Libya. But like for real. But anyways, we made it. In Costa Rica, rainy season starts in March and ends in November. During this time, they experience a lot of bad weather, low visibility, and fog, which can cause an airplane to divert to a different airport, sometimes even to a different country like Panama. If you're not staying in San Jose the first night and driving somewhere else like we did, I highly recommend you pack some dinner or have some dinner at the airport, because if something like this happens to you, everything closes at 10 o'clock. So if you arrive after 10 o'clock, you won't be able to get any food. What? No. Wait, I want to see it. Wait.
It's a sloth.
Wait. Oh no shit. It's a sloth. Huh? Since we arrived pretty late at night, we didn't see much while we were driving to the hotel. But this is the view that I woke up to the next morning. And let me tell you, it was breathtaking. Not only that, but there's a bunch of wildlife all around you. Buenos dias. So yeah, we are here at, what is even the name of this hotel? I don't even know. Yeah, because we were so tired when we came in here. Yeah, I can't even remember, but it is a great place. I'll definitely put the link down below. So whenever you guys decide to come to Costa Rica, well, so far I highly recommend it. But yeah, we're gonna go grab some breakfast, and then we're just going to go to the beach. That's pretty much it, I think, for today. We're just gonna take it easy. So, are you ready for this yet?
I'm ready for this.
Alright, here you go. It is Hotel El Parador. Totally forgot about it. I didn't even see it. We were so tired that I wasn't even paying attention where the hell I was going to. As we were walking to the beach, we saw a bunch of red gingers all around us. My little sister is really into plants, and this is what she has to say about him. Okay, Yero. So what were you saying about these plants right there?
That they're part of the ginger family, and what's special about them is in their clothes, you can actually squeeze them and take all the juice out, and you can actually use it for your hair.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
It's like a shampoo?
Yep, exactly.
All right, ladies, listen up. So if you forget your shampoo, there you go. That's what you can use.
There you go.
That's what you can use.
Way.
That's what you can use to wash your hair.
And it helps your hair grow too.
Oh, there you go. I might need a little bit of that.
Right?
After spending a couple hours at the beach and walking around Quepos, we decided to go grab some lunch, and we went to this place called El Avión restaurant. let me tell you, it is the best food I had in Quepos. So when you visit, you must go there. You won't be disappointed. So we're here at El Avión having some lunch, and we actually went to Quepos. And what ended up happening is this woman approached us and told us this story about her kid needing some shoes and stuff like that. And honestly, it touched all of our hearts. The situation is that we had a feeling, because my mom ended up giving her some money, and we had the feeling that she was probably lying about it. And we actually asked our taxi driver and described the person, and it looks like he actually knew this person, and she's known to pretty much scam tourists, giving them their story about, you know, her kid being sick and needing some stuff. So my suggestion is, I get it, it's sad, you know, I understand, but if you get approached, just let it be, and yeah, just let it be. On the next day, we ended up going to the Manuel Antonio National Park. Manuel Antonio contains a combination of the rainforest, beaches, and coral reefs. These beaches are the most beautiful in the country. The forest is home to the sloth iguanas, squirrel monkeys, white-faced monkeys, and millions of colorful little crabs. I do want to make you aware that if you decide to tour the Manuel Antonio National Park on your own, on the road to the national park, you will find a bunch of people selling their own services as guides and for parking or entrance tickets. They're going to overcharge you. The best thing you can do is get them through the website, which I will put in the description, or buy the tours through the hotel or travel agency. Now, here's the cool part. Our guide had a telescope, and she was really good at pointing the telescope to different types of animals, and we were able to see them really close. And here is my favorite. We were able to see a baby sloth through the telescope. Now day 3 of our trip, and so far so good. You know, we visited the national park, went to the beach and all that stuff. I do want to tell you guys though, so there's 2 seasons here. It's summer and winter, and the winter months start in March, I believe, all the way to November. And it seems like, at least in this area, Quepos, it is absolutely dead. We actually went out for dinner last night, and there's literally no one. And the same with the hotel. The hotel is empty. So just keep that in mind if you're trying to, you know, do something like relaxing where there's not a lot of people. Definitely, I would say try to plan it around this time. Currently, it is shit. I don't even know what it is. Oh, May. It is May. It's just I've been doing so many things. I don't even know what day of the year I live in. But just keep that in mind when you arrange your travels to Costa Rica. Let me tell you that no great trip is complete without something happening to me. If you've been following me for a while now, you know that in every trip something happens. Last time I had to get rescued out of the Salcantay Trail in Peru, and this time I dislocated my shoulder while I was receiving some surfing lessons. And this is how that went down. Don't worry, I didn't let that ruin my vacation. I actually put my shoulder back together while I was in the water, and I continued having fun. Alright guys, so we're here with our taxi driver Bernie. So he's been driving us all along. He's been taking us to everywhere, and we highly recommend him. So whenever you guys decide to come down to Costa Rica, I'll put his Instagram down in the description, so you guys can hit him up. And if you need transportation from the main airport in San Jose to any other place, hit him up. Highly recommend him. I hope you enjoyed the video and found the information valuable for your next trip to Costa Rica. If you like topics that are related to aviation, travel, and business, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.